We're at the JW Marriott, Indianapolis. Here in Indianapolis, Indiana. My first ever filmed in Indiana. We have some fast KONE elevators. Right, I'm going to use this Nissan GTR. That's where I'm using my Nissan GTR to press the elevator buttons. Anyways, these are KONE from 2011. While we wait, let's get a view out the window. There's the State Museum. Some areas of Indianapolis. There's a field, probably for the Colts. Very nice view, I'm telling you. These things are really fast. We got that one. This one. Ooh, fancy. Got L. Wee. Whoa, man.
Second floor.
Sorry, 2.
Going down.
Going down?
Sorry. Yeah.
What floor? 1?
Yes, please.
These were put in 2011.
Oh, really?
And it's a newer property.
Yeah.
And boy, these are fast. Alright, let's see. 22? Going up?
Yeah.
What floor?
8.
8.
Going up.
Got it for you?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Here we go. These are gonna be fast.
Yeah.
Whoa. Wow. The high-rise elevators here, those things fly.
Yeah. You like elevators?
Yeah, here we are at 8.
All right. Thank you so much.
Got the door for you?
Thank
Going
you.
up.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Alright, here we continue up to 22. Whee! Wow, these are fast. 1100.
22nd floor.
Here at 22. See, it's good. Switch at 3.
Going down.
Switch at 3. Let's get our cab view. Beautiful elevators. Look in the ceiling. Who do you see? Hi. They're Innovation Prestige
16th
fixtures.
floor.
Hands-free 8 code client phone. Stopping 16. Wow, these are fast. Going down.
Going down.
What floor?
Second, please.
2nd.
Yes. Thank you.
Here we go. Again. These are very nice. Ooh, hey, fast. Wow, these things are so fast. Now we're gonna do the high rise because those things fly.
Yes. Yeah.
I'm gonna.
You make my ears pop.
The high rise elevators fly. Let's switch to the high rise elevators now. Switch to the high rise elevators. Alright, these will be the high rise elevators. These are gonna be insane. And we got this one. Wow. Talk over the music. Talk over the music. These things are absolutely insane. 800 feet a minute. It's here. These things are absolutely insane.
Going down.
Oh, the fan's on. L. That alarm's in a really bad spot. Woo!
Floor.
Here at L. 33.
Going up.
Going up.
Yes,
What floor?
33.
Same as me. I'm going up to the top as well. I'm going to the top too.
You're gonna record the
I'm an
top?
elevator enthusiast.
I see.
Let's see. Whee!
This one's fast, huh?
Yeah, about 800 feet per minute.
What?
Yep, these go around 800 feet per minute. My ears popped.
Yeah, mine too.
We'll go back down to... Whoa, that's such a hard stop. 3? You have a nice day.
Thank you, you too. Enjoy.
You too. Let's get our second cab view. Okay, fancy. Wee. Look at the ceiling, pretty see high. Wow. There are fixtures, Innovation Prestige, hands-free 88 code plant phone.
Third floor.
Here are 3. Man, these things are insane. So this one up. Key card. Now I'll go back up to 11 on the low-rise elevators. I mean, these are actually reforming my opinion on KONE. Let's see. Let's wait for that one.
Going up.
11. Wee.
11th floor.
Here at 11. Whoa, these things are so fast. These are high-speed elevators.
Going down.
There's a look at them. There goes and. That's it.